Soat necha bo'ldi? Assalamu alaikum. Hello once again, and in this video we will continue learning telling time. In our previous video we learned the easy way, which is based on knowing how to count. If you know numbers, if you know digits, you know the easy way how to tell time. In this video we will learn longer way, and of course we will practice. Tayyormisiz? Boshladik. So the first phrase you need to learn is asking time. Is excuse me, what time is it now? So I hope we learned that from last video, and we will repeat and memorize and remember it this time too. So excuse me, what time is it now? Kechirasiz, soat necha bo'ldi? Kechirasiz, soat necha bo'ldi? Necha bo'ldi. Pay attention that I'm saying necha, because it's spelled necha, but we say necha. And I think this video, this lesson, this skill is the easiest skill to start speaking in Uzbek, because you can go outside if you live in Uzbekistan, among Uzbeks, you can start speaking on this topic. Even if you don't need time, you can just go outside and say, Kechirasiz, soat necha bo'ldi? And when you hear back, you can, even if you don't understand, you can pretend that you understood and move on and do that again and again until it becomes okay. So in the first video, in first lesson about telling time, we learned this way, and you look at the time, and you read it the way it is. You read 11:40 and you say 11:40 and etc. If you haven't watched that, please watch the first lesson and then watch this one. So it talks briefly and in examples about the first way, about the first method. Now we will learn the second one, and it's a little longer. So in our first construction we will use the first half of the hour, and then in second construction we'll use the second half. So the first construction, how to say this much minute passed from this hour. So hozir soat dan daqiqa or ta o'tdi. Hozir soat dan daqiqa o'tdi. So right now, time from this hour, this many minutes passed. Dan is from. For example, 12:20, right? 12:20. Hozir soat 12 dan 20 daqiqa o'tdi, or 20 ta o'tdi. So here we in conversational Uzbek we mainly hear 20 ta. Daqiqa means minutes. For example, we can also say 20 minut o'tdi. But there's another word, for Uzbek word for minutes. So let's practice this version. 7:25. 7:25, right? This is 7, this is 25. 7:25. Now let's say it using this construction. Hozir soat 7dan 25 daqiqa o'tdi. And the second version, 7dan 25 ta o'tdi. Hozir soat necha? Soat 7dan 25 ta o'tdi. Hozir soat necha? Soat 12dan 20 ta o'tdi. Hozir soat necha? Soat 12dan 10 ta o'tdi. Soat necha bo'ldi? Soat 3dan 5 ta o'tdi. Hozir soat necha? Soat 10dan 12 ta o'tdi. Imagine I will ask you time, and you can tell me with one of these versions, okay? Ready? Tayyormisiz? Boshladik. Soat necha? Soat 12dan 10 ta o'tdi. Pretend it's 12:10. 12dan 10 ta o'tdi. Okay, let's move on. Kechirasiz, soat necha bo'ldi? Soat 3dan 5 ta o'tdi. Kechirasiz, soat necha bo'ldi hozir? 10'dan 12'da o'tdi. Well done. Okay, and as a reminder, half of it will be yarim, right? Hozir soat 1:30. Hozir soat 7:30. Yarim is half. Okay, the next construction goes to the second half of an hour. And this in here, first we need to tell the minutes and then the hour. So let's go back to our first construction. Here we say hour and then minutes first, and in the second, vice versa. And in English it's the same. When we say 10 to 2, we say first minutes and then the hour, right? So let's practice with this time. It's 10 minutes, 10 to 12. So first we say minutes. So 10 is on. Hozir soat 10'ta. Kam. Kam means few. So it means like we don't have enough minutes till this hour. Like we don't have enough, like 10 minutes enough till 12. So hozir soat 10'ta kam 12. Hozir soat 10'ta kam 12. And takam is almost as a one word, although we spell it separately. Okay, let's read more. Soat 15'ta kam 1. Soat 15'ta kam 1. Soat 5'ta kam 10. Soat 5'ta kam 10. So this one is 15 to 1, this is 5 to 10, and this is 10 to 11. 10'ta kam 1. 10'ta kam 11. Soat 10'ta kam 11. Okay, in the next part, I would like to invite my friend Janessa, and we will read together the dialogue about asking time and answering time. So once I will be asking time and Janessa will be answering, and then we will change. Okay? Watch. Hozir biz Janessa bilan dialogni o'qib beramiz. We'll read the dialogue with Janessa and we'll pretend that we're in a street. Right? Salom Janessa.
Salom. Assalomu alaykum.
Yaxshimisiz?
Yaxshimisiz? Rahmat. Hozir yaxshimi?
Rahmat. So siz A bo'lasiz, ha? Men B.
Hop. Assalomu alaykum.
Salom.
Kechirasiz? Soat necha bo'ldi?
Soat 7:30 bo'ldi.
Hop, mayli. Rahmat.
Hop, xayr.
Xayr.
Okay, so we just read this dialogue. Was it too fast? We'll read it one more time. We'll read it slowly this time. Now follow us, and this is the phrase we learned. Soat necha bo'ldi means what time is it now? Soat necha bo'ldi. And this one, have you noticed that it's not necha but necha?
Oh, no, I haven't.
Yeah, because we don't really say necha. We say necha.
Okay, that's true. Maybe I've heard, but I've not really realized.
Yeah, and some people even spell it this way, even with double ch. Necha bo'ldi. And then soat 7:30 bo'ldi. And then we'll read another dialogue, but we won't comment it. We'll just read it. Okay?
Hop.
Boshladik.
Assalomu alaykum.
Salom.
Kechirasiz? Soat necha bo'ldi?
Soat 7:30 bo'ldi.
Okay. Hop, mayli. Rahmat.
Xayr. Okay, we are reading another dialogue, and again, I will be the one who's telling time, and Janessa is the one who's asking time.
Hop. Assalomu alaykum.
Salom.
Kechirasiz? Soat necha bo'ldi?
Soat 11:15.
11dan 15ta o'tdi. Adashmayapsizmi?
Ha, 11dan 15ta o'tdi. Ro'ppa-rosa 11:15.
Hop, mayli. Rahmat.
Hop, xayr.
Xayr.
Did you understand?
I didn't understand the...
Adashmayapsizmi?
Yeah.
Adashmayapsizmi is, aren't you wrong?
Oh, okay.
Like,
are you sure about that?
Yeah, are you sure about that?
Yeah.
Yes. And ro'ppa-rosa?
Okay.
Ro'ppa-rosa means like sharp, exactly.
Okay, exactly.
Yes.
Okay, that's a new one for me. Ro'ppa-rosa. That's fun. Assalomu alaykum.
Salom.
Kechirasiz? Soat necha bo'ldi?
Soat 11:15.
11dan 15ta o'tda. Adashmayapsizmi?
Ha, roppa rosa 11 15.
Okay, hop, mayli. Rahmat.
Rahmat Janessa. Rahmat.
Arzumaydi.
Okay, so as you saw, we read with Janessa couple dialogues, right? And this is greeting, assalamu alaikum. Then this is the question itself, kechirasiz, excuse me, soat necha bo'ldi, what time is it? And then this is the answer. First version is 11:15, 11:15, and this is easy way. This is longer way, 11dan 15ta o'tdi. Right? It's 15 minutes past 11. This version, 11dan 15ta o'tdi. And this word, just for your curiosity, adashmayapsizmi means aren't you wrong? Are you sure? Ha, roppa rosa 11:15. Hope mayli, rahmat, hope khair. And here's the same dialogue but with different time. 13:45. First way to read it is 15 kam 2. 15 kam 2, 15 to 2. 15 kam 2, adashmayapsizmi? Are you sure? Ha, aniq. Aniq means I'm sure, or it's true, or correct. Aniq 15 kam 2. Sharp 15 to 2. Hope mayli, rahmat, hope khair. And here's the quick translation to this dialogue. 15 kam 2 bo'ldi. 15 kam 2 adashmayapsizmi? Yeah. And here we are done. I would like you to write in the comments below what time it is right now for you. You can use both versions. You can use only one version depending on how well you know the numbers in Uzbek. And I will go myself down to the comments and answer you and comment you back. And I will be really waiting for your feedback about this lesson. Bizni darsimizni ko'rganingiz uchun rahmat. Like bosishni unutmang. Xayr, keyingi darsda ko'rishguncha salomat bo'ling.